MSP422 is an ultrasonic, non-contact, entry-level transmitter for use on liquid-level measurement applications. It has a tough, weatherproof nylon body and a corrosion-resistant PVDF wet side. Installation is simple by using a 2-inch thread, either BSPT or NPT. MSP422 is a 2-wire loop-powered transmitter requiring a nominal 24-volt DC supply, and it gives a 4 to 20 milliamp output signal proportional to liquid level. The measurement range is programmable from 0.3 to 8 meters. Ultrasonic pulses are transmitted from the transmitter face here and reflected back from the surface of the liquid level to the same transmitter. By measuring the time delay between the transmit and the receive signals, the microprocessor controlled electronics is able to calculate the distance to the liquid level. Programming and setup is achieved via the push buttons and built-in LCD inside the enclosure. Liquid level can also be read on the LCD display. The specific model we're looking at is MSP422-B28. I have it connected to a 24-volt supply and an indicator. Here we are, if you could. On turning the power on, the transmitter takes several seconds to initialize, and then it goes into a setup routine. After the checks are complete, the transmitter then indicates the live measurement based upon the factory default values in its memory. So here there's a value based upon the default values to the wall. First of all, we want to, before programming for a specific vessel, we want to select the display units. On this specific model, MSP422-B28, the display units are shown in meters as factory default. The display can, however, be changed to feet or inches by pressing down the blue button. Start from the PV, the process value display, and hold down the blue button for 10 seconds. The display will then change from meters to feet. Here. We've now gone from meters to feet, so the display that previously was nearly 7 meters is now 22 feet. If we hold down the blue button again, it will then go to inches, so we'll go from 24 to 288 inches. Hold it down again and we'll come back to meters. 7.3 meters. Once you've reached the required display units that you want to display, just release the blue button. The first parameter we require when programming the unit is the bottom reference, B-ref. Here on the sketch we can see it is the distance from the underside of the transmitter face, down to the bottom of the tank or the vessel. With model MSP422-B28, the factory default for B-ref is 8 meters. This distance can be measured with a tape measure, or if the tank or vessel is empty, it can be measured by MSP422. Before changing any of the factory default values, press the blue button. Here I'll have it aimed at a target on the floor. But as we press the blue button, the display changes to distance. And this is the distance from the transmitter face to a target. Here I've got it aimed at a target on the floor. Now, a useful feature at this stage is that the transmitter can be used as an electronic tape measure. So with the tank empty, the transmitter reads the distance to the bottom of the tank. This distance can be noted and then later used when setting the bottom reference B-ref. With the transmitter installed, it's also useful at this stage to check the echo size of the signal being received. This is a scale of 0 to 100. To do this, press the blue button again and you'll get the echo size. In most applications, the signal strength will vary over a wide range, from 20 to 80. If possible, adjust the position of the transmitter until the highest echo size is achieved. Press the blue button again to return to the normal level reading.